Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is vegetable pulao. So let's get started. So here I have few vegetables. You can add on your vegetables whatever you like. You can add peas, cauliflower, whatever you have. So I'm gonna wash all these vegetables and chop it. So in a pressure cooker, add 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add whole garam masala spices, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, all those things. And now I'm gonna add 2 onions finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, give it a mix. After a few minutes, add vegetables, capsicum, beans, carrot, green chilies, whatever you have. Add peas if you have, cauliflower. Add more colorful so that you get all those nutrients. Now add 1 cup of water to cook vegetables, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Just close the lid and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Don't pressure cook, just close the lid and cook it. So now you can see our vegetables are half cooked. Now I'm gonna add washed rice, 3 cup of rice. So for 3 cups of rice, I'm gonna add 6 cups of coconut water. It is diluted coconut water. If you don't want to add coconut water, you can add plain water. Just to enhance the flavor, I'm gonna add diluted coconut water. So keep it in high flame. It's boiling now. And now I'm gonna reduce the flame and just keep the lid over it. So here make sure that I'm not going to pressure cook it completely. I'm just covering the lid. So here is our pulao is ready. People who are looking for weight loss can add brown rice instead of white rice or oats and do the same procedure. So here is our vegetable pulao is ready. Thank you for watching. Do share, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.